Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for Mini GT Red Bull Abu Dhabi Grand Prix winner. Max Verstappen was the winner on this one. I always have problem in saying his name. So this was the previous release. I'm not sure if it was from the 2022 or 2021 Abu Dhabi, but I think it was the number 3 winner. So let's do the unboxing for this latest one. Let's cut this open. Always be careful while using plates. So, are you ready? Well, I am. And here's the cover. Always keep them intact. Oh, so here's your number 1 car from the 2021 Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. We have all the liveries here on the sides. Let's put this on the turntable and have a close review, right? Let's do that. Put this here. This one. So this is a closer look of this Formula 1 car. It just says Red Bull on the side. The wheels are really cool. The front is really cool. It does say Red Bull in the front as well. The Mobile One livery is there. The Puma is there. There were actually all the liveries and all the sponsors on this, and it does have a number 23 on it. This car is really cool, but honestly, if I speak, I really like the rims on the other one. It does have the carbon fiber features on the sides, and we have the Max sitting inside the car, as we can see the helmet. So it's a really cool casting actually. I'm really digging these Formula 1 cars. There are some I have missed, but I'm sure that next time when Mini GT are going to release some Formula 1s, I'm just going to buy them no matter why. And no matter what car it is, no matter what company making it, if it's a Formula 1, I'm buying it. That's it. So this was a cool car, right? Maybe there are some similarities, maybe not sure about that. It doesn't even matter actually. We are not here for the comparison, we are just here for the cool cars. Thank you so much for guys for watching this, and do let me know what you like the most in these F1 cars, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.